In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I shot these beautiful pictures using only a 2-light setup. Let's get right into it. What's going on, guys? Pictures by Schoolboy here, and welcome back to yet another video. Now in this video, I'm going to take you guys through the process of shooting these beautiful portraits. Now before I get right into it, I just want you guys to know that this was a collaborative photo shoot between myself and the makeup artist, which is Amatel Makeover. She worked on the hair and the makeup and the outfit as well, so a big shout out to her. And let's get right into it. This photo shoot was a 2-light setup, the main light and the rim light. Now if you take a look at the pictures, you realize that I used different backgrounds. I was experimenting, so I tried different backgrounds to see the kind of results that I was going to get, but I'll get into details about the reason why I did that in a bit. But as I said earlier, it was a 2-light setup, and the main light was my Godox Ad200, and I think the backlight was my Godox Sk400 Mark II. These were the 2-light setup that I used, throughout this entire photo shoot. Only 2 lights. And with the main light, the Ad200, it was diffused with an 85-inch parabolic softbox. Yeah, I think it's a parabolic softbox. And with the backlight too, I think it was diffused with a Stripbox with a grid on it. I didn't want the light to be spilling all the way to my background. That is why I had a grid on the backlight. But with the main light, I had no grid on it because I didn't want to control the light or make the light more directional. I wanted a little bit of spill, just a little bit, onto the background to highlight the background a little bit. When I started shooting, I realized she was sitting a little closer to the wall, so the light was spilling. The main light was spilling on the wall, so I decided to bring her a little forward to make sure the light doesn't spill so much on the wall. So I moved the model a little bit forward, further from the wall, and also I brought my light a little bit further from the wall as well. Now moving on, you could see that we changed the background to the black background, and I really loved the black background pictures because the outfit was a black outfit, and I figured why not try something black as the outfit as a background. I really like the way it turned out. I think it gave this more contrasty vibe to the pictures that I really loved. And we moved on to the green paper backdrop as well. We got a couple of shots, and I really love how that also turned out. These were the 3 backgrounds that I used. Only 2 lights. I really love how the pictures turned out. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And that was it. That was how we came about this shoot. Once again, big shout out to the makeup artist for doing her thing. And that's how everything went about. So just enjoy the video, guys. Enjoy.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown.
So that will be the end of today's video. Thank you guys for sticking around to the end, and let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.